Hello, my name's Adam Price and I'm on the DBpixelhouse stand at ISE 2020. I want to talk you through one of our products today. This is a new product that we have called Pixel Play. It's a product that we've had around for a while, but we've kind of just got it to the point where it's in a nice simple to use format now. So you can see I've got my controller tablet here. This can be a mobile phone, it can be a laptop, it can be an iPad. For this instance we're using an iPad. And then I've got my screen up here that we're using. We're actually using quite a small screen here, but this could be a huge LED wall, or it could be one of our iPad displays that you control in here. But what it allows me to do is quite simply tap on a button and I can change the videos that are playing on the large screen there. But what if I wanted to show a number of different videos? So I can tap on the mid-center screen here and I select that, so you can now see that I'm playing one video on the center. And if I tap on the top right on the tablet here and then select a different video, so I can now play multiple videos on a single display. I haven't got any cables going to the screen, it's all wireless. I've only got one laptop plugged into that screen there, so we're not needing lots of different devices, no video capture cards, nothing complicated like that. Cheap equipment that's easy to get your hands on and a nice simple solution. What I can also do, which is quite unique, is I can drag a custom screen. So I've now got my screen here. I want a screen that big. Let's make it a little bit of a letterbox. I'm going to save my stage. I'm now going to select the video that I want to play, and you can see that I've got my little scene here set up. So I've selected a kind of a small portion. Now that might be useful if you've got a huge 5-meter LED wall and you want to talk to somebody in front of a small section of that wall, then you can draw your own custom stage and talk to someone at the area that you're actually stood. So just going to close that down. What I can also do is I've got some images here, so I can kind of slide through the different images that I've got. If I want to display that image, I'll just flick it, and that image is now going to appear on the screen as well. So you've kind of got a little bit of a presentation tool there as well. You can slide and flick your images up, hence the reason we call it Pixel Play. So that's some of the features that were built into Pixel Play. Loads more we can do with it. If it doesn't quite meet your requirements, but we're nearly there, I'm sure we can tweak it to make it work for you. So get in touch, www.dbpixelhouse.com. My name's Adam Price. Thank you.